Hello guys, and today we will be making a sandwich. Okay, so a sandwich is really easy to make. Peanut butter jelly. How to make peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Ingredients. 1. What do you need when you do not know the way? You need the way. Where is the way to find the bread? Guys, you don't know that meme? Do you know the way, Ugandan knuckles? Is that said it right? I don't know. Here's the bread. First thing you'll need is bread. Next thing you'll need is where it is, man. Where is it? It's not here, man. If it's not here, then what is the peanut butter? Aw, man. I don't even use Peter Pan peanut butter, man. I don't use it. I use cheese. But I guess I'll have to use Peter. Alright. It's annoying. That's why I don't like these bottle cabinets. If you are allergic to peanut butter, do not use peanut butter. Just make a jelly sandwich. I don't think they have different kinds of jelly, do they? They have strawberry jelly, grape jelly. I think that's all kinds of jelly, right? Then you're going to need your plate. Got the camera down because it's hard. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm making this with the YouTube camera since I'm too lazy to do any peanut butter jelly iMovie stuff. So let's do this. I need a camera holder. This will do. And I will put the camera right here. Hope you guys will see. If you guys, don't you dare comment about my face, okay? Please don't. I don't want to comment about my face. Comments are allowed. Let's do this. I'm supposed to have the bread first. Why am I opening jelly? By the way, guys, I didn't realize I was playing the same world for free. I don't think I redeemed a code or anything. Was it Xbox Live Gold? I don't know. Tell me in the comments if you know why Save the World is free for a reason. Then you gotta close the bread. I'm lazy. I do not tie knots. Oh, a knife. You need a knife. By the way, guys, always get a knife. Yes, the knives are available. I think knives, like, these only cost, like, 99 cents or, like, $1 or something. I don't know, probably $1. Put peanut butter on this, peanut butter on that. On with bread, whatever you want. Just put peanut butter and jelly on the different sides. I just put peanut butter and jelly on different breads. Okay. Are you kidding me? It's new? And that's it. And it looks like it just already been. Oh, you're not supposed to open. Crap. I just ruined a perfectly good wrap. I have a cold. So, don't be mad at me for coughing. Coughing's part of life. How would you feel if you coughed up something? How would you feel if you coughed up throw up? If you threw up right now, what would you feel? Oh, guys, after you, if you guys feel sick or something, it's your stomach and you just threw up, tell me in the comments and tell me if you always drink water after vomiting. Always be hydrated, because then, you feel better, and then, guys, have you ever had food poisoning? I'm just talking about food. I just like talking about sickness. Oh, by the way, guys, fact about me. I'm left-handed. So, most of you guys on the channels, my subscribers, probably are right-handed or left-handed. Left-handed people, I'm not bragging about left-handed people, I'm just saying. We're I'll just get the good parts. We're probably prone to mental illnesses, and we have the problem with the stupid pencil with the shade. I forgot the name. It was called syndrome. Silver shade symptom. I'll call this silver shade symptom. It's really annoying, guys. Right-hand people, you're lucky. Probably too lucky. I'm not saying you guys are, like, bad. It's like, people that left-hand people are, like, born to be evil. And they're, like, really evil. And they will kill people. If people, back in the day, that left-handed people were Nazis, I was going to be like, what? I'm not a Nazi. Do you see any Nazis on me? No, so you don't. I feel like I'm sweating. I don't have food poisoning, do I? I didn't eat anything today. I drank some soda. I like peanut butter off stuff. Don't look at it. Guys, didn't see anything. This is my house. We live on a wonderful house. No more information. We're gonna move anyways. So, we move. I'll make a video of us moving. Oh, please do not look at the park, guys. If you look at this park, then I really feel sorry for you. Saw it again. I'm doing this to you. I'm just doing it with the camera. Like, the cameras are like messing everything up. Excellent. Good. Peanut butter. Some. I thought peanut butter, like, the doctors told me once that peanut butter binds me up. And that I shouldn't eat that much. Or crackers. Crackers do that too. But listen, I grew up, never had any, like, constipation or anything, actually. Okay, I had to spit it out because I think it was too much. I will kill you. Oh, my plastic knife. That kind of hurt a bit. It doesn't even cut me. I was just hungry all of a sudden. I didn't like eat anything, and I didn't feel hungry. I ate popcorn. Is popcorn food? People say, why do you eat all the time? It's not really counted as food. I don't think they said that. Oh, did I say that? I think I'm screwed. Gotta clean this. Upper towel. Quickie bouncer raptor. This is dumb. It got worse. Quickie bouncy. Pick her upper. Who cares the heck about it? You're dumb company. It's like Clorox, Lysol are competing against each other. It's really disappointing and sad to see that. Spray the spread the jelly on your bread. Then you eat it. Just gave you guys a spoiler of what's gonna happen next. Oh, yeah, if you guys don't know how to make a sandwich, watch this video. Turkey ham cheese sandwich will come sooner or later if we have turkey ham. Yeah, we do have turkey ham and cheese. So I think we do that. I don't eat turkey. I think I ate turkey once. I don't remember, guys. I have a bad memory. And guys, I just thought something. You guys ever have like rumors that I have like this channel's like someone's recording me? I'm just thinking of something. It's like people are always saying like this channel's fake and I have like secrets or something. I don't. I have my personal secrets and you cannot ask me what they are. If you ask me, yeah, guys, if you ever like hate on me about whatever I did wrong, even if I didn't even do anything wrong to you or to any person else that you know, and then you put the jelly, you're supposed to roll it on here. Just like spin it. You know what? Whatever. It's not gonna like expire or anything, right? Or will it? I don't know. What about this knife? I don't like it. I like peanut butter. What's the point? There is. Oh no. Okay, I got it up. There was jelly on a drawer. Can't let that happen. See you guys later. Sandwich. Gonna eat it real quick. That's how I make sandwich.